10 Major U.S. immigration policy changes under President Trump and how to navigate them. President Donald Trump's administration has introduced several significant changes to U.S. immigration policies. Here are 10 notable policy changes. 1. National Emergency Declaration at the southern border. Declared a national emergency to allocate additional resources for border security and expedite the construction of a border wall. 2. Designation of Mexican drug cartels as foreign terrorist organizations. Labeled specific Mexican drug cartels as terrorist groups to enhance enforcement measures against them. 3rd, reinstatement of the Remain in Mexico policy. Required asylum seekers to stay in Mexico while their U.S. immigration claims are processed. 4th, termination of birthright citizenship. Issued an executive order aiming to end automatic citizenship for children born in the U.S. to non-citizen parents. 5. Expansion of expedited removal proceedings. Broadened the scope of fast-track deportations for undocumented individuals unable to prove a continuous U.S. residence of over 2 years. 6. Increased cooperation with local law enforcement. Enhanced partnerships with local authorities to enforce federal immigration laws more effectively. 7. Targeting of sanctuary cities. Implemented measures to withhold federal funding from jurisdictions that do not cooperate with federal immigration enforcement. 8. Suspension of refugee admissions. Paused the refugee resettlement program to reassess and implement more stringent vetting processes. 9. Expansion of immigration enforcement agencies. Increased hiring of Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, and Customs and Border Protection, CBP, agents to bolster enforcement capabilities. 10. Utilization of Guantanamo Bay for migrant detention. Expanded the Guantanamo Migrant Operations Center to detain up to 30,000 migrants, separating them from the high-security military prison at the same location. While these policies primarily aim to strengthen immigration enforcement, individuals and communities can consider the following approaches to navigate and potentially benefit within this framework. 1. Stay informed and compliant. Regularly update yourself on current immigration laws and ensure all personal documentation and statuses are in order to avoid legal complications. 2. Seek legal counsel. Consult with immigration attorneys to understand rights and explore legal avenues for residency or citizenship. 3. Community engagement. Participate in local community organizations that offer support and resources for immigrants, fostering a network of assistance. 4. Utilize legal immigration channels. Explore available visas and programs that facilitate legal entry and stay in the U.S., such as work or student visas. 5. Advocate for policy changes. Engage in advocacy efforts aimed at influencing immigration policies through peaceful and legal means. 6. Access educational resources. Pursue educational opportunities that may provide pathways to legal status or employment. 7. Employment in compliant sectors. Seek employment with employers who adhere to immigration laws and may offer sponsorship opportunities. 8. Stay updated on sanctuary policies. Be aware of local policies regarding sanctuary cities and understand how they may impact your situation. 9. Prepare for policy changes. Develop contingency plans in case of sudden changes in immigration enforcement that may affect your status. 10. Engage with support networks. Connect with organizations that provide legal aid, counseling, and other support services to immigrants. It's essential to approach these strategies with caution and seek professional advice to navigate the complexities of immigration laws effectively. Please subscribe to Easy Life Studio for weekly, monthly, and yearly update.